Hey, my friends, this is Vineet, and today on HX Star Interview, we have Purvi Verma from Mumbai. Purvi has graduated 10 weeks of HX Intensive Diamond Program, and she's got amazing results. Welcome, Purvi, to HX Star Interview.
Thank you,
Uh,
Vineet.
yes, congratulations for completing the program. And tell us, how's been the program journey? How's been the program experience for you in the last 10 weeks?
Hi all, I'm Purvi. I'm based out of Thane, Mumbai. And yeah, this HEX journey has been wonderful, I would say. The reason I've achieved great results out of this 10-week program. I had never imagined that, I'll be able to achieve so much in such a, less, span of time. So what I have, in fact, I would say what I've lost inches, I've lost weight, right? I used to have severe hair fall, that has gone now. My energy levels have increased. I'm more mindful about what I am eating, and my BP is regular now. I mean, it used to be, I was not on any pills, but it was going into that high BP range, but then it is in control now, so I'm really happy for that. And one of the biggest things is that my PCOS is gone. I mean, my periods are regular since almost May 2000 21 now. So that I'm so happy that things are going in the correct direction. Thank you so much, Vineet.
That's awesome. That's amazing to hear, Purvi. So many great results. You've lost weight, lost inches, your energy level is up, BP is normal. And you mentioned that your PCOS has not been there since March 2020, May 2021 actually, right? Which is approximately 2 years back. So on that note, I am aware that you have repeated it one more time, right? This was the results of when you did it first time, and then after a couple of years, you felt that you should be doing it one more time. So please also share with us how does it help to repeat good things one more time?
Sure, Vineet. Yeah. So, I mean, I joined this HEX intensive program. I started it in April 2021. I joined that batch, and before that, I mean, I was in obese category 2. I used to perspire a lot. My periods were not regular and all that. So I thought I had to do something about myself, but I was not able to know what I should be doing, right? So I mean, because I had never been on any kind of, I had never visited any dietitian. I was not on diet, and I always thought I'll not be able to do it. And if I lose it, I'll gain it back. But then I joined your program, right? And within a month, I mean, half the way, right? Within 4 weeks, I got my periods, and it was like, and then subsequent month, I got my period. So, and till this 2 years, I mean, they've been regular. Before that, I mean, there was a gap of 6 months or things like that. So a lot of hormonal problems inside. And then I kind of thought that, by only following this program and using all this good healthy food, if I can, cure myself, why not go for it for a second time? So I wanted to kind of experience that environment, or energy once again. So that's when I decided I let me do it once again. So after almost 2 years, I thought, let me do it once again. So and I'm really happy that I did that. I was conscious of what I was eating. I was on track. I did not gain that much of weight because I was mindful of what I'm eating. And yeah, but then I wanted to kind of experience that what should I say, energy, and the group energy we have. So yeah, that's great, Vinith.
Yeah, that's like you've learned driving and you've been practicing, but again,
Yes,
you want to make
exactly.
sure that you become better at it, right? So good things
Exactly.
course again and
Yeah,
again.
yeah. I mean, yeah. In fact, yeah. Same is the case with me as well. I mean, driving is something, I mean, you learn once, and then probably you might be confident for the first time. You might not be confident, but then it is always good to kind of, I mean, go for that training once again, right? So that you are sure enough and confident about your driving. Yes, I agree with you that it's the same experience. Yes.
Yes, absolutely, because we have been living our life in 10 weeks, so it's a good time, but again, it's a short time. So it's always a good
Yes.
idea to practice it a lot more time, because practice makes a person perfect.
Correct.
And I'm
Correct.
so happy you did it one more time. And
Yes.
what a fantastic results you got one more time again.
Yes. Yes.
So tell us, what did you like better this time?
Uh,
What more has changed? What did you like the most about the program?
this time it was better in sense that, I mean, there was this dashboard, and you could score points on the activities that are assigned to you and all that, and you could use those points in future programs and things like that. So that is good. Plus the energy and the recipes that were shared, to kind of try out new things so that we don't get bored and all that. So that is also really good. And also, I mean, the helping hand is always there, right? I mean, we could reach out to you, Deepti, and our group members anytime, and we could discuss. It's like we become a family, right? And I mean, we all have that same we are like-minded people, I would say, who have joined this program. And we are on same track, and we want to achieve something, right? So we can openly discuss and all that. So that helps a lot. And that environment helps us to kind of continue on this journey. So I mean, yeah, that ways. I mean, I have been in touch with my pals even from the previous batches, and for me, I mean, the family has grown only. So that's a good experience, I would say. Yes.
Great to hear that, Purvi. And this time we also had an offline meet.
Yes, yes, exactly. Yeah, that was, I mean, once I would say we should have that often, but better late than never. I mean, it
Yes.
was really great to meet, especially you and other pals. I mean, I mean, people took effort to kind of, I mean, drive from long distances and meet in person, because there's that willingness, right? To I mean, even though we were meeting for the first time, we never felt that, I mean, we are meeting first time, right? Because we knew each other so well that, I mean, yeah, it was awesome. Yeah. In just time, I guess those 3-4 hours, I guess it was almost 5 hours we were there, and it's like, oh, ho gaya. 5 hours kahan chala gaya, pata hi nahi chala.
True,
Correct.
true,
Yeah.
true, absolutely true. In fact, Purvi, I think since the time we interacted first time, it's been 2 years, and I think it was great catching up with you and as well as all the group, all the people from Mumbai. I think that was an awesome experience. So when this has happened, how does what all changes you feel has happened, and then why do you feel taking care of health is so very important?
I mean, see, if you are healthy, if you are, energized, then only you will be able to, take care of others also, right? If you yourself are not well, that energy or that kind of feeling will also kind of pass on to others. So, I mean, it's like it's very important to take care of ourselves, our health, our, I mean, environment, food environment, and all that. For me, what all has changed, I would say. First of all, I've become very mindful about what I'm eating, right? I mean, I always look at the ingredients, the content of the food that I'm having, and whether it's good for me or not, right? And also what all points we are asked to do, I follow that. So that ways I become more mindful, I would say, from that perspective. Also, I mean, since I've lost weight and also inches, I like to kind of, I feel very confident about myself, and I'm able to, and that also kind of, portrays in the way I communicate. Or initially since I was fat, I was feeling shy sometimes, right? Okay, अरे, साड़ी नहीं पहनना है. I mean, I look bulgy and all that, but now I don't. I am confident about myself, so I happily dress myself, and I'm very happy. So those all small things matter a lot, I would say. And yeah, that helps you boost your confidence. Even the relationships with others also, that also kind of changes, I would say, because of all the good things that are happening within your body. Yes.
Absolutely. That's great to hear that when you change, there is a ripple effect also in even the relationship changes, the way you talk to yourself, the way you talk to others. The stress, irritation goes down, and happiness
Yeah.
comes up.
Correct. Yeah.
Great.
True.
So I've asked this question to you before, Purvi, but one more time. If you have to rate this program on a scale of 1 to 10, how much you would rate again?
For sure, 10 and more, Vinit. I mean, you can understand, right? I have enrolled myself for the second time. So, I mean, 10 is less, I would say. This program is really good, I would say. I mean, jitna bhi bolu kam hai. I mean, I had never, anticipated or thought that I'll be able to achieve so much, and I'll be able to maintain that, first of all. I mean, since 2000, 2 years, right? I mean,
Yes.
I'm sustaining it. So I'm really proud of myself, I would say that, and thanks to this program, that we are able to go back to the modules and the learnings and all that, right? So that helps a lot. So yeah, for sure, 10 and more.
And that is huge that you have just shared, Purvi, that you've been able to sustain it, because most of the program when people do it does not even sustain for a month.
Yes.
You go for some yo-yo dieting, some shakes or whatever, and then it just comes back. And you've been able to do it for 2 years, but then again you thought, okay, it's good idea to practice it more, and then again it's a reinforcement, which is awesome and amazing to hear. So one last question: someone watching it, they're still struggling with sustainability, consistency. They've tried many other programs and still thinking whether this will work for me or not, or whether I should invest on my health or not. What is your message?
Absolutely. I mean, they should go for it. I mean, if nothing has worked, for sure this will. I mean, no doubts about it. This is the best program about health and wellness, I would say, which kind of teaches you why you should do things rather than how you should do, and what you should be doing, not doing. That comes for sure. That also comes down the line. But why you should be doing something, and why you should not be doing something, or eating something, not eating something, if you are able to understand that, then you'll be able to sustain it for a longer duration, right? And it's not about kind of motivation and all that. It helps you to form that habit, right? So I mean, so that habit formation is inculcated into you through this program, and that helps a lot. Plus, I mean, you have that pool of like-minded people, and the energy and the support. I mean, your personal, I mean, we are able to reach you anytime. So I mean, connect with the mentor, and even the support that we get from Deepti. Any queries, they are answered. So I mean, it's not that we are just doing it for the sake of doing some health program, but this experience is totally different, we need. So for sure, I mean, whoever is listening to this video, please go for it without any doubt. Take that leap of faith, and just enroll for this program. For sure, you will be kind of gaining good knowledge, and losing whatever you want to. So yeah, please go ahead. Yes.
Okay, gaining knowledge and losing whatever you want to, including weight and lifestyle ailment. That was such a powerful message from you, Purvi. And it was an absolute pleasure to work with you again. like after two years, help you get the results. And it was awesome to meet you in person also. I think this is so this has happened now, and I think this is what is going to happen for all the future batches also. I think the meetups are going to be part of the program experience. Wishing you all the best. I loved you jumping into it, taking action, getting the results, being a role model. From my side, I wish you tons and tons of luck and success.
Thank you so much, Vinith. I mean, yeah, I mean, it has been great, having you as a mentor and guide for this program. And for sure, I'm going to reach out to you whenever required in future, not only for this, but anything else. I know I can, rely on you. Thank you so much. Thank you.